My name is Eric Schneibel. I'm the owner and president of Pacific Exterior. We're based in Santa Cruz, California. We service the entire Bay Area and Monterey Bay, and we have since 2010. So we specialize in exterior cleaning and restoration. It's basically a non-pressure service that we offer. Pressure has typically been used for decades, but we've come to see that it's damages many roofs and exterior surfaces. So we specialize in a detergent-based approach which lasts much longer, is much more effective and looks much better, and that's our specialty. So we started in 2001 as a licensed building contractor. We were building homes throughout the Bay Area, and then over time we noticed towards the end of near 2010 that there was this bacterial growth pattern, especially on roofs and building exteriors. There was no company or service that was providing anything other than pressure washing. And so we sort of educated ourselves on the subject and became an authority on it. Wrote a number of articles that have been featured in some national and international magazines, and we started Pacific Exterior in 2017, and we've been providing that service throughout the Bay Area and Monterey Bay since then. Yeah, so over the past 9 months to a year, California homeowners insurance providers are pulling out of the state. People are losing policies that they've had for decades, many of them for decades, and they've never had a claim. And so they get a notice that they're going to have their policy canceled, and they're desperate to keep that policy because if they lose it, typically it's going to cost 1.5 to 2 times as much. Now, the number one reason that homeowners insurance providers are pulling out is due to dirty roofs. And so there's many thousands, even tens of thousands in the state that are having their policies canceled. They call us, we guarantee that they will keep their policy if they use our services. And to date, we've never failed. We've never lost one policy. And so the homeowners are absolutely ecstatic. They're very excited. We get from 1 to 2 emails a week from excited customers telling us how their insurance policy was saved, and they're so happy about it, and so are we. Well, typically customers will call and they request pressure washing of their roof or their building exterior. We know what they really want. They want a beautiful roof or building exterior that looks great, doesn't leave wand strokes from a pressure washer, and lasts a long time. That's what they want, and that's exactly what we provide. You know, it would typically be seen as a cleaning, a roof cleaning, a building exterior cleaning, but the reality is it's a restoration. It's a very involved, comprehensive process, and it lasts for many years, and we guarantee it and have for years. We have many homes and roofs throughout the Bay Area and Monterey Bay which look great 5 years later. When you are in need of exterior building services, cleaning and restoration, feel free to call us. We do commercial and residential work throughout the Monterey Bay and Bay Area, and when you need us, we're here to help.